Welcome to another Simple Dad Capcut tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use a new feature on Capcut called Lock Focus. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Okay, so the lock effect on Capcut will basically lock on a specific part of the person in the video. It can be the head, the body, or the hands. And once it locks in, it'll basically track that item throughout the whole video. It can zoom in, it can rotate the video, and it can also zoom out. So let me show you how to use this effect on Capcut. So before we begin, you want to first go ahead and update the Capcut application to the latest version. So you can do this by going into your App Store or your Google Play Store. Now once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. Now you want to go ahead and tap on New Project. Select a video where you want to add the lock effect. Tap Add. This will now bring the video in your timeline. Now to use this lock feature, you want to tap on the video itself. Then at the bottom here, you want to find Lock On, which is right here, and it looks like this. Tap on it. Now this will give you a choice of face, body, or hand. Now it depends. If it detects the face, it will show you a square. As you can see, it's not detecting the face. I'll try body. And now it has detected the body. It has shown me a box around it. Next, I'll try hand. And it has detected the hands. So for this, I'll just tap on body. Now I'll tap on start. This will now start processing the video and will only track on the body itself. As you can see, it is moving the frame around. And now in the final result, it has zoomed in to keep the body in the center of the screen. So as you can see, it is moving the video around and zooming in as well. And it is keeping the body in the center of the frame throughout the whole video. Now, if you like the effect, you can tap on this arrow here to go back. Or if you want to make some adjustments, you can tap on Adjust. If you don't like the lock-on effect, you can just tap on Clear. And this will then start all over again. So there you go. That is how to use a new feature on Capcut called Lock On. So if this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.